Windows doesn't automatically use your most powerful GPU. It negotiates. And most of the time, it chooses wrong. In this video, I'll show you how to manually force Windows to use your dedicated GPU. And later, I'll introduce a tool that goes far beyond this, controlling your GPU behavior, memory usage, and performance the right way. Start by opening the Windows settings. Press Windows key plus I on your keyboard at the same time. Once settings open, click on System from the left-hand menu. Next, click on Display. This is where Windows controls how graphics are rendered on your screen. Now scroll down until you see Graphics and then click on it. This section lets Windows decide which GPU each application is allowed to use. Under Custom Options for apps, make sure Desktop app is selected. Then browse to add the program you want to control. Now navigate to the Applications Installation folder and select the main executable file. This is the actual program file, not the launcher. Once the app has been added, click on it. This opens the GPU control settings for that specific application. Next, choose High Performance. High Performance explicitly tells Windows to request the dedicated GPU whenever this app runs. You will see your AMD GPU listed here, confirming it will be used. To make sure the changes take effect, make sure the application is closed and then reopen it. This ensures it launches using your AMD GPU every time, which will ensure your system consistently uses the powerful hardware you paid for, giving you the best experience without random slowdowns. For many people, this is where the tutorial ends, but this only fixes one layer of the problem. GPU control, memory behavior, and power performance are still split across Windows. That's why I built Force GPU Optimizer to control it properly. Get it from the link pinned in the comment section. Click this video to see how the tool works